Many people have made crazy amount of money from airdrops this year. If you missed $50,000 from the Optimism airdrop, $1,000 from Aptos airdrop, and about $5,000 from the Arbitrum airdrop this year, then you don't want to miss this video. The interesting thing is some of these airdrops, I talked about them in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 airdrops that will change your life in 2023. Let's get to it. The first airdrop on our list is zksync. zksync is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that addresses the network scalability challenges by utilizing zero-knowledge proofs. zksync actually raised a total of $458 million. When you compare the amount raised by zksync with that of Arbitrum, which raised less than $200 million but gave out within $800 to about $12,000 to people, it simply tells you that zksync airdrop might be the biggest in the history of crypto. Now remember, so far Arbitrum airdrop has been the biggest in terms of how many persons they gave and the amount they actually gave. So with the amount zksync actually raised, I believe it might do very well than the Arbitrum airdrop, but time will actually tell. Now to qualify for this airdrop, you need to do the following things. Bridge your ETH to zksync New Era. Trade on zksync dexes like SyncSwap, Me.io and others. Provide liquidity. Buy or mint an NFT. And finally, interact with other zksync protocols. I've posted a video on this channel about the zksync airdrop and how you can do all of these taxes I just listed. I'll leave a link to that video in the description, so do check it out. The second airdrop on my list is starknet. Starknet is a layer 2 that aims to address some of the scalability challenges that Ethereum has been facing, which includes high gas fee, network congestion, by moving some of the significant portion of the transaction activity off the Ethereum chain. They raised a total of $280 million. When you compare that with that of Arbitrum, it is almost the same amount, so you might be expecting the same level of airdrop from Starknet. Every indicator shows that this airdrop is very close, so make sure you do the tax quickly. To qualify for this airdrop, you need to do the following things. Bridge your ETH to Starknet. Trade on Starknet dexes like TenkeSwap, JediSwap and others. Provide liquidity. Buy or mint an NFT. And finally, interact with other Starknet protocols. I've also covered all of these steps in the video which I posted on this channel. I will leave a link to that video in the description, so make sure to check out that video. The final airdrop on my list is Layer 0. Layer 0 is a blockchain network that allows seamless interactions with other protocols to create interconnected value chain. Layer 0 have actually raised over $200 million. Their airdrop might actually be huge, and with the speculation on ground, the airdrop is actually closer. To qualify for this airdrop, you need to do the following things. Number 1, bridge your coins using Stargate and other Layer 0 bridges. Number 2, trade on their dexes. Number 3, mint NFTs and bridge to different blockchains. Number 4, interact with other Layer 0 protocols. I've actually made a video about this and I'll also leave the link in the description. So guys, these are my biggest bets when it comes to airdrop. Please know that airdrops are speculative and the team can still choose not to give airdrop. We have come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. It is really important. That said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.